Welcome to this video on goal setting. This is the 5th goal in a 5-video series that I made, so you can look below and find all of the other 4 videos so that you can get all 10 tips. Today I'm going to share with you 2 tips that are going to help you really get things done and accomplish more in the new year, which is probably why you signed up for this video in the first place. My name is Thom Singer, and I really believe that when you have clear goals and you focus on them and you review them and you take action, you're going to achieve more. Now, some people tell me, Thom, I don't like to set goals because then I feel sad if I don't reach them all. Well, guess what? We don't always reach all of our goals, and feeling sad, that's silly. Don't feel sad, because what's probably happened is that you set a goal here and you landed here. If you had never set the goal and worked towards it, you'd be drifting around at a lower level. So realize that you're striving to reach stretch goals because it's going to pull you farther along than you would be if you hadn't set these goals at all. So today's 2 tips is, the first one is you have to have a clear time frame for when you're going to accomplish the goal. Now, some goals are something that you can do in a short amount of time. You can do it inside of a couple of weeks or a month. Put the time frame down of when you're going to accomplish that goal. Other goals are going to be longer. It's going to take you 6 months or maybe the whole year. And occasionally you want to have a goal that's longer. If you're trying to finish your PhD, or you're trying to achieve something else that is going to take multiple years, you still want to define, when do I want to realistically have accomplished this goal? Because a goal without a time frame, it's just words on paper. And if you never wrote them down, they're just a hope and a dream. So really focus on what you want to accomplish in 3 months, 6 months, and a year as you're setting the time frames on each goal that makes it realistic so that you can work to achieve it. And the second tip in today's video is you have to take action. Here's the whole thing. Goal setting is not magic fairy dust. Watching this little 3 or 4 minute video that I have isn't going to do anything for you if you don't sit down and commit to actually do the work that it takes to accomplish the goal. So in December 2021, I made a goal that I was going to post a new video to YouTube every single day. Is every video fantastic? No, you might not think this one's fantastic. However, every day I'm posting a video, 31 videos, I'm going to learn something. I'm going to get better. I'm going to cross paths with some interesting new people. And so I have to take the action, which means every day I have to come into my studio, think about what I want to talk about. And now that I'm finishing this series of 5, I can't even use the goal setting series anymore. I have to come up with fresh and new ideas. So that's what I'm asking you to do, is have a commitment to getting things done. Make sure that you're doing the work involved, and then you're going to find you're going to accomplish a lot more than you ever dreamed. As I asked before, subscribe to my channel. If you liked anything I said in any of this series of videos, leave a comment below, and you're always welcome to reach out to me at tom@thomsinger.com and let me know what you think about the information that I'm sharing here on YouTube or anywhere. Have a great day.